Okay, so my paper plate is already marked from glass, anterior, posterior, foramen magnum. I'm going to start by making a disc. It is my myencephalon. This is the medulla oblongata. And on top of it, I'm going to make another disc. This will be my pons. On the posterior side here, I'm going to very quickly just make a trench here. That is my cerebellum. I'm going to take my highlighter cap, push down. This hole is going to be my fourth ventricle. And from here, I can make my substantia nigra, which look like tiny little eyebrows. And I can make my red nuclei. And this is the base layer of the mesencephalon. The pons and cerebellum were in the metencephalon of the hindbrain. Now we are in the midbrain. And so this is the tegmentum. In the tectum, I will have the inferior and superior colliculi. So starting with our inferior colliculi, I'll kind of lay these guys down. Then I will have our superior, which these control vision and hearing. Here's the tectum of the mesencephalon. So I will move now into the diencephalon, which will have the thalami, the hypothalamus with the pituitary, and the epithalamus. So I'm going to put one of the thalami there. Very quickly, just make this egg shape again on this side to make that thalami. And I'm going to quickly make this into a triangular shape. Stick that between my thalami. Gonna make a very tiny little sphere. This will be my pituitary hanging. And then that is it for the front of the diencephalon. In the posterior, I will be making the pineal body and the habenula of the epithalamus. Keep in mind that the tiny hole that is visible here is the third ventricle. So there's the epithalamus, and now we will move into the telencephalon, which starts with the hippocampi. And the amygdala. So I'm gonna get these on here really fast. They kind of look like strawberries. Then from here, we will have our globus pallidus on top of the putamen. They kind of just sit in here like this. And then on top of all of that, because we cannot see the cingulate gyrus, kind of have these fettuccine looking noodles, but pieces of Play-Doh in this case, that are our caudate nuclei. And this is the brain.